Hey there, tech enthusiasts! In this video, we are going to compare two desktop processors that have been making waves in the market, the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X and Intel Core i5-10400F. We'll break down the features, performance, and price of both products. So let's dive in and see which processor will come out on top. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is a clear winner with its 8 cores and 16 threads. It can deliver elite 100+ FPS performance in the world's most popular games. On the other hand, the Intel Core i5-10400F comes with only 6 cores and 12 threads. While it is also a great processor, it falls short in terms of the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X's performance. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is designed for the advanced socket AM4 platform and can support PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards. However, it doesn't come with a cooler and requires a high-performance cooler to reach its full potential. The Intel Core i5-10400F, on the other hand, comes with a cooler and is compatible with Intel 400 series chipset-based motherboards, so it's a bit more user-friendly for beginners. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is priced at $449, while the Intel Core i5-10400F is priced at $155. It's a significant price difference, but this is where the old adage, "you get what you pay for," applies. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X is faster, more powerful, and has more features, which justifies its price. However, the Intel Core i5-10400F is a more budget-friendly option and still manages to offer great performance. And that concludes our comparison of the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X and Intel Core i5-10400F. Both processors have their strengths and weaknesses, but it ultimately boils down to the user's needs and budget. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.